Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove chlorine from water at home. Boil water for about 15 minutes to remove free chlorine, then cool and store in a covered container. For tap water with residual chlorine, use an activated carbon filter or granular carbon pitcher for consistent results. For taste issues, add a measured amount of vitamin C to neutralize chlorine safely and immediately. Boiling and aeration are simple and low cost for many households. Bring water to a rolling boil for about 15 minutes to drive off free chlorine, then let it cool uncovered briefly and transfer to a clean covered jug to limit recontamination. Repeated pouring between containers speeds aeration if you prefer not to boil. This method works best for municipal water with typical chlorine levels. Filtration and additives give more control over chlorine removal at home. Activated carbon pitchers or undersink filters adsorb chlorine and improve taste, while granular carbon works faster for larger volumes. A small dose of vitamin C neutralizes chlorine instantly without harmful byproducts. For the highest purity, a reverse osmosis system removes chlorine plus many other contaminants, though installation and maintenance require more effort and cost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.